Accidents do not always happen because of your mistakes. Very often they are caused by someone else's mistake. I was walking along the street of market with my brother. It was 6 p.m. and the street was very crowded. We were going to see a film and it was getting late for the tickets. The film was to start at 6:15 p.m. We began to walk faster. How did it happen? All of a sudden there was a loud noise a second. I saw my brother rolling on road. A scooter rider was driving at a normal speed. What all of a sudden his clutch wire broke and the scooter was out of his control. It knocked down my brother. Luckily the scooter was not very fast. Otherwise some more people would have been hurt. After the accident, a crowd gathered around my brother. Before he could stand up, I went into the crowd and was received to see that he was not very badly injured. He had a few bruises on his left hand. His elbow was bleeding. I took out my handkerchief and tied it round his injury. His face had become pale and he looked very nervous. Somebody offered him a glass of water. The most unfortunate part of it was that people started abusing and hitting the scooter rider. He tried to convince them that it was not his fault.